guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturallymary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I went from this to this. Now, I don't want to get ahead of myself, but just know that there's some heat coming. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe now, and leave a comment because I know y'all gonna love this. So this is my natural hair. I have type 4 natural hair. My hair is black. I do dye it so that it's darker, but every now and again, I desire to have a little bit of change, a little extra flavor, if you will. But I don't actually want to apply bleach to my hair, so I decided to get a natural hair wig. That seems to be one of my best solutions for many hair changes so that you don't experience the damage, but you get an experience with the color, the length, the texture, whatever it is you desire. This natural hair wig is by Hergivenhair. It's a lace front construction. It is a 13x6 lace front, so it does come with 6 inches of parting space. It also comes with an elastic band that's attached. Right now I'm putting the unit on my mannequin head so that you all can get a better view of what the unit looks like. This shape I really like a great deal. I also like the pre-plucked hairline, but you could go in and customize it a little more to your liking. As you can see, the roots are black and then it transitions into a brown and then into this bleached beautiful yellow color, which is more so of a blonde. And this creates a really nice ombre effect. The texture is so beautiful. And right in the package, I feel like the curl pattern and everything looks great, but y'all know I always like to wash my unit so that we can define and just really bring out the curl's full potential. Right now I'm applying conditioner to the hair and I am using the Aussie 7-in-1 Miracle Conditioner. Now, because this is chemically treated hair, I did decide to leave on the conditioner for longer than I typically do. Typically, I just apply it and then rinse it off. But because of this type of hair, I want to make sure it's getting the added moisture that it needs. So I am going to apply the conditioner and leave it on for about 30 minutes and then proceed to rinse it out. Now that 30 minutes has passed, it's time to add our styler. I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner by Melanin Hair Care, and I love this product because it's pretty thick and it's also really hydrating. I feel like it creates a great deal of moisture that actually lasts for a good amount of time, so I'm going to apply that throughout the hair, define the curls using my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and then proceed to coil the ends.
Bird, you need to chill.
I've been up for a minute, now I'm down for it. I've been good with the team, never bad for it. I'ma work for the winner, never slack for it. And I live for the king, I got a crown for it. I know the way, ayy, know the way. He really is the way, he the way, ayy. You can follow me, ayy. I know the way, ayy. Never been afraid, cause we know the way, ayy. Ayy. Ain't no shame in the way. See me smiling, I don't hide the pain in my face. Oh no, no. Give my all, I'm raising the stakes. People try to beat you, but we ain't in a race. Gotta believe there's still an open door if you don't see it. Just as long as I know my purpose, I won't lose it. I can't leave it. I get knocked down all the time, that doesn't mean that I'm defeated. I'm going through changes. Ways, grace, know my place. Yeah, I made mistakes, but I didn't stay. Kept the faith. Not the same after everything I've been through. All I really wanna say is I've been up for a minute, now I'm down for it. I've been good with the team, never bad for it. I'ma work for the winner, never slack for it. And I live for the king, I got a crown for it. I know the way, ayy, know the way. He really is the way, he the way, ayy. You can follow me, ayy. I know the way, ayy.
Y'all, this method has been my favorite lately. Look at how juicy those curls look. Now that we've completed that process, I'm gonna allow the hair to air dry overnight and then get into my natural hair wig prep. And then we're gonna move into the installation process.
Cause I got that winning feeling. They can't slow me down. I got that winning feeling. Nothing's gonna stop me now. We can't deny, we're never gonna win if we're never gonna try. And this life is sly, it'll pass right by in the blink of an eye. I know your wells run dry and you're in out of luck, but we're running out of time. You figure why bother, I figure why not. I'm feeling like a winner, let's put it on the line. Cause I got that winning feeling.
Now at this point, I realized a few things. Number one, the hair is bomb. Number two, I parted the hair in the wrong manner. I tried to do a C part, but I didn't realize I was parting on the side that I do not wear my part, which is kind of ridiculous, but I just made it work. I also realized that I didn't necessarily have to secure the unit down with glue or gel. I could wear the unit glueless. So right now I'm just applying water to my hair to lift the gel cast that I already had on my edges. And I'm gonna slick my edges down and then proceed to install the unit again. And I'm gonna show you guys the next steps to make it look really natural and wear this unit glueless.
The door down, ain't nobody gonna stop us. We ain't even gonna knock. We don't like the game, gotta kill it like Contra. Yo, I'm coming up the block, so throw me the alley-oop. I'm a boom shakalaka. I tell you, I can see us at the top. The winners ain't scared to lose it, that's the mantra.
Cause I got that winning feeling. They can't slow me down.
They can't slow me down, no.
I got that winning feeling.
Yo, stop me. Oh, somebody.
Nothing's gonna stop me now.
All right, so my edges look better, but I realized that my stocking cap underneath was kind of doing something funky. So I needed to pull that forward a little more. And I decided to also fold it under so that you don't have that strip at the start of the wig cap that kind of creates a line of demarcation. So I'm just shifting that. Also, because I decided to wear the unit glueless, I realized that I needed to ensure that the unit doesn't slide. So I decided to pull out my lace wig grip. And this one's a little different from your standard wig grips because this one has lace near the parting and along the perimeter of your hairline, which is really cool. Now I did modify it a bit and you guys will see that as I progress throughout this video. To put it on, I'm going to remove my wig first and then I'm going to open up the Velcro area in the back. I'm going to line up the lace parting where I want my part to be, and for this unit I believe I had it on the left side, so I'm just making sure it's in position, and then I'm going to wrap it around the circumference of my head, attach the Velcro, and then proceed to install the unit.
Nothing's gonna stop me now.
Tell them, baby.
Don't you forget it. There's so much with
Now this lace grip is pretty effective. I wouldn't recommend getting on a roller coaster with this thing, but it will do the trick if you're running errands or maybe if you want to wear it to work, that kind of thing, and keep your wig from sliding. This should do the trick. However, I do need to refine the part, so I am going to go in with some of my concealer in order to tint the lace. And I'd highly recommend not stopping with the lace that's on your wig, but also applying the concealer or the lace tint to the lace that's on your lace wig grip.
There's so much we're fighting for. Oh yeah. Don't you regret it. It ain't over till it's over. No.
Yeah, we only got one shot. It's now or never, whether ready or not. I thought about it long enough, man. I'm ready to pop, ready to burst at the seams. Can you feel what I dream? I can see it in the distance, shape of a W. Took a couple L's, heartaches, breaks, trouble. The waste is no escaping it. But if there's a chance, I'm taking it. And if there's a finish line, you better bet I'm breaking it. Cause on the other side, there's a place and it's destiny. Yeah, you best believe I got a winning feeling and it's meant to be.
Cause I got that winning feeling. No, they can't slow me down. I got that winning feeling. Nothing's gonna stop me now.
Parting your hair in the area that's consistent with the part from the unit is going to be so much more helpful. I didn't already have a part and I didn't create a part. I was able to make it work by applying concealer, which you guys will see in a moment. But if you want it to be an easier process, go ahead and create a part in your hairline and then proceed to apply your unit.
Okay. Yeah. Alright. A sunny day. A sunshine. Yeah.
All I see are bright skies, walking on sunshine. All my troubles melt away.
Yeah.
It's perfect weather, it can't get better. It's just another sunny day.
Sunny day.
Rolling with the top down, California dreaming now. Cruising down the 101.
101.
Everybody knows it's time to let go and have fun in the sun.
Yeah.
All I see are blue skies.
Blue sky.
This feeling just feels so right. All I got are good vibes. I'm in a sunshine state of mind.
Yeah.
I just keep on smiling. Everything is looking fine. It's more than just a feeling. I got a sunshine state of mind. Sunshine, sunshine. Sunshine Ventura Boulevard, sipping in the backyard, Corona with some lime. Good vibes flowing, the sun is glowing, it feels like summertime. Skating down the boardwalk, bikinis on lock, it can't get better than this. The sun is setting, the day is ending, and all I feel is bliss. All I see are blue skies. This feeling just feels so right. All I got are good vibes. I'm in a sunshine state of mind. And I just keep on smiling. Everything is looking fine.
Now, for those who might be a bit leery to wear the unit with just the lace wig grip, then I suggest using a holding spray, and I like to use the bedhead holding spray, but just in the area where the end of the parting is. You don't have to actually apply it to the entire lace front. I really enjoy using this method. It's very beginner friendly and it's super quick and easy. Alright y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. I am in love with this honey blonde unit. I hope that you all love it as much as I do. I cannot wait to hear your comments and feedback. Hergivenhair will be having a Black Friday sale, so you all look out for that at the end of the month. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications to this unit, all the products that I use. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.